Assalamu alaikum guys, I'm your teacher Shakil Akhtar. So guys, in this video I'm going to teach you very basic tool of the Solidworks 2022. So I have focused on only on extrude tool and how you can use small dimension tool and how you can draw a sketch. So this is very basic, and in the last video I have drawn same like this. Okay, so don't forget to set the units as well, and don't forget to use small dimension tool. That's very important. So watch the full video, and I hope so this will be very helpful video for you to learn SolidWorks 2022. In coming videos we will do some extra, we can use some extra tool, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So guys, if you didn't subscribe my channel, so please subscribe it and hit the bell icon button as well, and you will get notification about my upcoming videos. And please share it to your fellows who wants to learn SolidWorks 2022. Thank you so much.